It's called Grammar Nighttime. I'm so tired. Not so daytime. And I'm so scared. I'm going to my backyard today. Into the woods. Off we go to the races. Races. There's my pool right over there. That's my best friend's bedroom. That's our slippery ice. Let's see, Mama. It's my pool. Now we're going back into the deep forest. Once again, it's Nature Extravaganza Part 2. One time, it was so scary. I saw like a little cat back there, and he was about to attack me. I'm so scared. There might be zombies back here, like creepy little zombies. I stepped in deer job. Deer dropping is very common in this part of the woods. I'm gonna take a stick with me to beat the little animals if they attack me. Watch out for deer turds. It's freezing outside. Oh my god. Freezing my nuggets off. Alright, we're going back on the day. Ah! Almost stepped. Oh my god! Oh my god, there's deer droppings here. Deer droppings there. Right in my leg. And there's deer droppings right there. Oh, there's deer droppings right there. 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 This is my little pathway grid. Deer droppings right there. That got smushed. That's disgusting, is there? Let's see how many deer droppings we can find while we're out here. The pile of junk, man. Alright, this is Navy property. There's the junk there. We try to dig under it like little immigrants. This is where me and Cooper said that thing's on fire. Oh my god, we are surrounded by it! We just gotta calm our hips and man it up. Hopefully we won't encounter droppings anymore. Oh my god, this is... Oh, we got a deer dropping! Step over the droppings. I'd like to see... Oh, deer droppings. Oh, deer droppings. Oh, deer droppings. 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 They're all over the ground. Deer droppings. Deer droppings. Deer droppings. Oh my god, what's up with these people pooing in my... Oh, deer droppings. This is where the coyotes go. It's the old paintball field. Deer droppings. This is where all the coyotes come. Coyotes and deer, because the deer droppings, and the coyotes sniff them. See, I'm nature expert. I'm also a park ranger, so I know all about these things. The deer droppings, they're like, how can I put it? The little guys come over and sniff the little poop and they track the deer down. This is the old paintball field. Old paintball crap. People crap. We cleared it up mostly. It goes on forever and ever, and behind this, the firefighter school, training school. Alright, now we're gonna go over here, and we're gonna go see the open green field. Well, it's actually not a green field. I like to call it that. Looks like somebody picked up a tree. Oh, it's all mud and mushy on the ground. Ew. See, but I'm a nature expert, so I can tell which one's healthy for you. Good job, Cindy. Oh, that's so evidently not healthy. Oh, I fight my way through it. Alright, They smell like a little mush pond. I'm going back. It scares me. Alright. Well, looks like it's getting pretty long. So soon I'm gonna have to end our little nature extravaganza. By the way, I'll be putting on new videos every day. If you guys don't watch my other videos, I hope you guys subscribe to me. Oh no, Drew Droppings. I hope you guys respect my buffness. People like my buffness, and I like my buffness too. Alright, let's go. Deer dropping! Deer dropping! Deer dropping! Oh, deer dropping! I must have counted like 30 deer droppings. If somebody could please go back and count all the deer droppings for me, that would be awesome, guys. Deer dropping. This is like deer dropping alley. Deer drop. Deer drop. I don't want to step it on me because the coyotes might come back to my house and eat me. Just like they chop down them little coyotes, them little poor little guys. Oh!
Fighting my way back down through the forest, making my way through the forest.
By the way, I'd like to make a mention. Today was a day that will live in infamy. Today is the day that coppers came to my school and they tried to arrest Samantha, but luckily they saw me and my buffness and they stopped her. So something happened to her. I know what happened, but I can't say it on live television, or else everybody would go tell. Well, I've made a 7-minute video right now. I think this is my longest extravaganza yet. I've only made more on other extravaganza. Alright, deer drops. Here's my little brick wall.
Yes, that's it.
Wait, finish up. There's the big thing in the wall. It's very intense. And there's his house. Alright, Holmes. Ooh. Look at that sky. That's a bad day for extravaganza. There's my dead garden. We have to plant it again over there. You know where there are. I just see them here, so I saw a big turd in the boys' bathroom just the other day. It had corn in it. Me and Quinn saw it. Me and Quinn and Mike Rogers, you know, the whole deal saw it. I just like to make a mention that whoever flushed that is their meanie. Their meanie cake. That was a legendary corn turd. Alright, I'm going to have to leave you now. I finally hiked my way back through the forest. Through all the rough. All the rough. There's nothing there. All the rough. Through up there. I have made 8.5 video. And this is going to conclude my 8-minute video. Whoa, Sonner! Oh, there's me. Hello. Yes. Oh, there's Bubbles. You can see him. That's my cat. Alright, well this concludes Nature Extravaganza Part 2!